Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the attachment update. Attachments can be found within a task card. In this update, we're going to show you before and after. Here's the before. Previously, when you attached something to a task card, it would show up under a category. Those categories include related messages and ideas, attachments, related tasks, and more. With the new update, attachments can be found together in one place. They all show up under attachments and are categorized within for easy differentiating. Now all of your files, messages, and more are easily accessible. There are more kinds of attachments now too, with the ability to attach messages from channels or DMs, as well as files, approvals, related tasks, and more. Check out the new update today in your task cards.